inspection, 3-inch line, toilet line. Nothing, oh, a little water in the line. How do we have a little water in the line?
Oh yeah.
That is not normal, okay? With a perfectly pitched line, that line should be drained. It should be empty, okay? So we have a little water sitting in this line, so something's back pitched around the corner there in the unfinished part of the basement, and we will inspect that by looking at the pipe. In a situation like this, when you have a back pitch, if the water's not carried out all the way, neither will any debris will sit in the line, right? So we're gonna figure out what's going on here. So we're doing a sewer camera inspection here. I'm looking at all this brand new plumbing. I'm complimenting the new homeowner on all this new plumbing that was installed, okay? You have PVC pipe instead of cast iron. You have PEX pipe instead of copper, okay? So I'm complimenting him on all this plumbing. And I said, you know, the guy here did a great job, whatever plumber installed this before he bought the home. Okay, and we camera inspected the line. Toilet line out, came all the way around. Line is clear, line is clear. And as we keep on coming this way, there's the main line. It's higher than the branch line. The branch line is lower, and it actually is leaning backwards. And when I started running that camera, I started to see water in the pipe. You're not supposed to see water in the pipe. It's supposed to be empty the entire time, all the way out to the septic. And it turns out, as I ran with the camera, I started to see water right here. And to me, I started thinking maybe it's clogged. Maybe there is a clog there. We're getting a little water, and it actually is back pitched. So every pipe should be pitched toward your septic this way. You should never have pipes leaning backwards into your home that way. And when you do, you get water in the line. It's a back pitched line, okay? And what that means is that when you flush that toilet bowl one time, you're gonna get toilet tissue in the line, and it's gonna stay there. So it never really gets out. It always stays in the line. And here's proof of that.